Hello everyone, welcome to daily answering session. In this session, we are going to look at a question related to the petroleum in the world, which is a topic that comes under geography. So with reference to the distribution of petroleum in the world, consider the following statements. The first statement is, crude petroleum occurs in the metamorphic rocks of the tertiary period. The second option is, more than 90% of the world's proven oil reserves are located in the Middle East. Okay, so we know that there are different types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So the option says that crude petroleum is actually occurring in the metamorphic rocks. So we need to be very clear about these types of traps in the question. So actually it is not metamorphic rocks, it is sedimentary rock. Okay, that is the correct answer. Sedimentary rock is the correct answer. The second one is also a little confusing for all of us. Why? Because whenever we look at the petroleum, we always relate to the Middle East. Okay, and the option says that 90% of the world's proven oil reserves are located in the Middle East, which means the rest of the world has only 10%. It must not be true. Okay, so if you don't know this, if you don't know the statistics also, you can imagine that, or you can guess that it must not be true. Now let us see what is the answer. The crude petroleum is found within the sedimentary rocks from the tertiary period. Okay, so that the first option is wrong now. It originates from the burial of the significant amounts of deceased organisms, primarily zooplankton and algae, beneath layers of the sedimentary rocks. The organic matter undergoes substantial heat and pressure, leading to the formation of crude petroleum. So the crude petroleum is actually forming in the sedimentary rocks only. So the first statement is wrong. Therefore, the statement 1 is inaccurate. The distribution of petroleum across the globe is not uniform. Okay, that is very clear. It is not uniform. Some areas will be having more petroleum reserves. That is why we are actually importing petroleum to different parts of the world. So it is not uniform, with over half of the world's proven oil reserves concentrated in the Middle East. So the statistics here says that it is only half means 50% or more than 50%. That's it. It is not more than 90%. Following the Middle East, significant reserves are found in Canada, United States, Latin America, Africa, and the area formerly occupied by the Soviet Union. Okay, so each of these regions holds less than 15% of the world's proven reserves, which means the Middle East is not having 90% of the reserves. So we can clearly say that the statement 2 is also wrong, or it is inaccurate. So the answer is neither 1 nor 2.